हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं आपकी दोस्त और आपको करनी है केमिस्ट्री के साथ दोस्ती। वेलकम टू दोस्ती गेम। केमिस्ट्री के साथ दोस्ती करने के लिए आपको केमिस्ट्री के कुछ बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट पता होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। तो शुरू करते हैं सम बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ केमिस्ट्री पार्ट 2। The first one is mass and weight. The mass and weight, these are two physical quantities, and these two physical quantities may seem like the same thing, but in fact these two physical quantities, that means mass and weight, different from each other. They are different from each other. That means the mass is the amount of matter present in it, or weight is the force exerted by gravity on an object. The mass of substance is constant, whereas the weight may be vary from one place to another place due to changing gravity. But how to calculate weight? Weight is calculated by mass is multiplied by the gravitational force. The SI unit of mass is kilogram and SI unit of weight is Newton. The 1 kilogram is equal to the 1000 gram. This gram is a smaller quantity, smaller unit. These smaller unit are used in chemical laboratory for the measurement the smaller amount of quantities, smaller amount of chemicals. Then second is volume. Volume means the amount of space occupied by the substance. That means how much space is occupied by the substance. The unit of volume is length cube, that means meter cube or centimeter cube. 1 liter. Liter is not SI unit of volume, but 1 liter is equal to the 1000 ml and 1000 centimeter cube. These 1000 ml, that means ml and centimeter cube, these are smaller unit, and these also are used in chemical laboratory for the measurement the smaller amount of chemical or quantities. Density. The density of a substance is its the amount of mass per unit volume. Density is equal to the mass upon volume. Mass is the amount of matter present in it, or volume, how much space is occupied by the substance. Mass is SI unit is kilogram and volume SI unit is meter cube. The unit of density is kilogram per meter cube. Fourth physical quantity is the temperature. Three common scale measure the temperature: degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit, and third is Kelvin. The Kelvin is SI unit of temperature. The Kelvin scale is related to Celsius scale. Kelvin scale is calculated by the degree Celsius plus 273.15. The freezing point of water is 0 degree Celsius and 32 degree Fahrenheit and 273.15 Kelvin. Boiling point of water is 100 degree Celsius, 212 degree Fahrenheit and 373 Kelvin. That means 100 degree Celsius plus 273.15. That means 373 Kelvin. The boiling point of water is 373 Kelvin. The human body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius and 98.6 Fahrenheit and 310 Kelvin. That means 37 plus 273.15 is equal to the 310 Kelvin. Then atomic mass. What is atomic mass? The atomic mass is the number of proton and neutron present in an atom. Then the number of particles in present in nucleus. The unit of atomic mass is AMU, that means atomic mass unit. The atomic mass is equal to the mass of electron plus mass of proton plus mass of neutron. But mass of electron is negligible when compared to mass of proton and mass of neutron. Consider an oxygen atom having the 8 electron, 8 proton and 8 neutron. To obtain the atomic mass of oxygen, thus the atomic mass of oxygen is 8 proton plus 8 neutron is equal to the 16, because mass of electron is negligible. Molecular mass. Molecular mass is the sum of atomic mass of the element present in molecule. Sum of the atomic mass. Atomic mass means mass of proton and mass of neutron. For example, calculate the molecular mass of methane. Methane has formula is CH4, 1 carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atom. The atomic mass of carbon plus atomic mass of hydrogen. The atomic mass of carbon is 12 and atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 and 4 hydrogen atom is equal to the 16. 12 plus 4, 16. The molecular mass of methane is 16 unit. Then calculate the water. Water molecular formula is H2O. We calculate the molecular mass, 2 hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom. Hydrogen is atomic mass is 1 and oxygen atomic mass is 16. 2 hydrogen molecule, so 2 multiplied by the atomic mass 1 of hydrogen. 2 plus 16 is 18 unit. The molecular mass of water is 18. Then third example is CO2. The third example is CO2. CO2 means carbon dioxide. 1 carbon and 2 oxygen molecule. The carbon atomic mass is 12 and oxygen atomic mass is 16. 2 oxygen molecules. So 2 is multiplied by the atomic mass of oxygen. The atomic mass is 16. Then 16 multiplied by 2 is equal to the 32. Then atomic mass of 12 is equal to the 44 unit. That means the molecular mass of carbon dioxide is 44 unit. Then calculate the molecular mass of glucose. The formula of glucose is C6H12O6. 6 carbon molecule, 12 hydrogen molecule and 6 oxygen molecule. The atomic mass of carbon is 12, atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 and atomic mass of oxygen is 16. 6 multiplied by the 12 is 72. 12 multiplied by the 1 is 12 and 6 is multiplied by the 16 is 96. Therefore 180 unit. That means the molecular mass of glucose is 180. Mole concept and molar mass. The atom and molecule extremely small in size and their number even a small amount. Just we do not 1 dozen for 12 items. Similarly, we use the mole to count the entities at the microscopic level, that is atoms, molecule, particle, electron, etc. Mole is a unit and the mole is SI unit of amount of substance. 1 mole contains exactly 6.02214 into 10 raised to 23. 1 mole is unit of measurement that represents the amount of substance in gram, that is numerically equal to its molecular weight. For example, 1 mole of carbon weight is 12.011. This number is fixed numerical value of Avogadro constant. The Avogadro constant is denoted by capital N to the base capital A, which is expressed in the unit is per mole. Hence, we can say that 1 mole of hydrogen atom is equal to the 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. 1 mole of water molecule equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Similarly, 1 mole of sodium chloride, that is 1 mole of NaCl, is equal to the 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Then molar mass. The mass of 1 mole of substance in gram is called molar mass. The mass of 1 mole of substance in gram is called molar mass. The molar mass in gram is numerically to atomic or molecular mass. For example, molar mass of water. The water formula is H2O. The molar mass of water is 18.02 gram per mole. Similarly, molar mass of NaCl is 58.5 gram per mole. How to calculate number of moles of a substance? For example, mole, which is denoted by N, is equal to the mass of substance divided by molar mass. Molar mass means 1 mole of substance in gram is called molar mass. Calculate the number of moles of CuSO4 in 20 gram of solid. That means calculate the number of moles of copper sulfate in 20 gram of solid. The mass of 20 gram is given in above example. Calculate the moles. Moles is denoted by N is equal to the mass which is given in example divided by molar mass is equal to the 20 gram which is given in example and molar mass of copper sulfate. Then calculate the molar mass of copper sulfate. Copper mass is 63.54. Sulfur is 32 and oxygen is 16. There is 4 oxygen molecule. So 4 multiplied by 16 is equal to the 64. Therefore 63.54 plus 32, which is the sulfur mass, plus 64, which is the 4 oxygen molecular mass, is equal to the 159.54 gram, which is the molar mass of copper sulfate. Then calculate the moles. 12 gram of solid, which is given in the example, divided by the molar mass of copper sulfate, which is the 159.54 gram per mole, is equal to the 0.12536. mole. N is equal to the 0.12536 mole.